Babes Wodumo set the internet alight last night when she reignited her one-sided feud with Makati. Babes Wodumo appeared slightly intoxicated as she accused Makati of having a secret intimate relationship with her husband. Yesterday's event marked the second time Babes took aim at Makati regarding her connection with Mampinja. This time, Makati took the narrative into her own hands with a brutal clapback. In a tweet written in Chivenda, Makati said she believed the whole thing was a stunt and that in her opinion, the husband of the girl from Durban wouldn't be able to satisfy her. Imagine my boyfriend hearing that I am trending for another man just because someone wants to pull a stunt by mentioning my name, but I forgave her already and I replied to satisfy her, she added in a tweet. Please let me know in the comment section down below what do you think about Makati's clapback, and I will see you on my next upload.